Good morning, passengers, and welcome aboard. Welcome to Real Jamaican Airline flight number 112 with non-stop flight from Kingston, Jamaica to New York. Now we're gonna make one stop in a 80 because we need to pick up the co-pilot because we don't make it out early this morning, you see me? So I don't want nobody to come talk about, oh, why the plane land, why the plane this now? We have like a stop in a 80 because we pick up the pilot. You know where I reach when I go? But the second thing is, it's a 2-hour flight. Yeah, we are get to New York in a 2 hours from Kingston. Don't worry about it, we know the back road.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Me don't want nobody to touch none of them up there on the ceiling, you see me? Me not wake up on the right side of the bed this morning, me don't want nobody to bother my meds this morning, you see me? So at 2 hours, we're not gonna need nothing from me. If you don't press them button, there'll be problems this morning. So please, don't touch the button. It's an early morning flight. We're trying to by 8 o'clock, that's work with the thing, you see me? Next thing is, my name is Delroy Brown. I'm your only flight attendant for today. So, I'm me alone I work the thing, you see me? So, me don't want nobody to bother my meds, you see me? So, I want to just sit back and relax. We're gonna load the plane, and we're gonna take off soon, you see me? Just go and work with them. Yo, Ella, around the back. Yeah, man, you, Ella. I try to load the plane and take a seat now. Daddy, small yourself and let him, man. Yeah, man, let him right there, so. You only have space now, make a lesson up, Papa. Mommy. Yeah, mommy, fat lady right there, so.
What's
yeah, mommy. The baby we have in the next seat, you have to afraid of the seat there, see, because you don't know the thing, go. If you put her in your lap.
What do you for lap?
You want to pay for your next seat? You want to pay for your next seat? Put the baby in your lap now, please. 2 hours. Mommy, you put them now, when you have 2 hours, we have to fly go, where you go. Where you do? No, brother, I saw this worker, it's an American or British, you know. You see me, we now like us until the plane full. You know how much you guess? Do you know how much you guess? Now passengers, these are the safety precautions for this airline. I don't want to tell nobody, so I never tell you no, so please listen to me. Because when the plane like a crash, man, nobody about go, oh, you never tell me X. No, we're not gonna dead. And me not know nothing to do with it, so I make it plain and clear right now. These are the safety features of this plane. Now first of all, if you look beside and look on the seat, everybody's sitting in a seat. Well, we know you stand up, sir, but we're gonna start it out and reach 80, you see me? So all the people that sit down and have a seat, there's something called a seatbelt. Well, they know seatbelt already, right? Only can lock it if you don't want, but we are Jamaican, so it's kind of optional. But me never say so. We have that thing here. This is called a life jacket. You put it on so. Put on the life jacket so, and you lock in that thing. Lock it around your back. You see what I do, right? And lock it around on the back. It's too tight. Hold on there. So, this are it right there, so. This are the life jacket, and lock it around on the back. You see what I say? If you not click, nah click. So this are the life jacket as me say. Lock it around the back. Make sure you click. See it lock in there, right? Everything you need inside the life jacket. You have to just pull on the string them on the side. Well, this not happening in the plane no people. And then I play this to go on. So I put on the side whenever I see like an emergency. Now I'm saying in a case of emergency, some oxygen mask I drop from the side there so, and everyone them have a mask still, you know, but we couldn't get all of them. You see, we couldn't get all of them, the budget never allow it. A Jamaica. We couldn't work it. Yeah, thanks to the patience, passengers. We're about to do the road now. So please sit back, relax and enjoy Real Jamaican Airline flight number 122 all the way to New York. Big up on yourself, alright? This is your captain speaking. This is Errol Williams. Just letting you know that we're still experiencing a little bit of turbulence because we're going over Jamaica and the patrol and want to fix. But by the time we come out of it, we should have smooth sailing all the way to New York, alright?